everyone, this is me Sonam Prajapati and welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now. So friends, in this video we are going to learn very interesting thing. So friends, do you use WhatsApp? Yeah, everyone use WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a very famous app. Everyone use. So friends, if you use a WhatsApp, it will send a sticker. So must watch this video. In this video you can create your own stickers. So friends, let's start the video. Before starting friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon button and like my video. Yeah. So friends, let's start the video. Friends, first of all go to your Google, and friends, if you want to make a sticker of Salman Khan, you have to write Salman Khan PNG, and whatever you want to make a sticker, if you want to make your own sticker, you have to cut the background and you have to save the background as a PNG format. You can download many apps. You can see the many apps from your Play Store to removing background. You have to write just removing background. Suppose I show you some. If you want to make some PNG background, so you have to write. If you write here YouTube PNG, and just click on here, and after this friends, just go to image, and friends, make sure you are taking the PNG image and download this image. And after this friends, install the app name is personal sticker for WhatsApp. After this I have already installed, so I open this app, and after this friends, you can see it will look like this, and click on the plus button and you can add from here. Wherever is your sticker, you can select from here and it will be added in your WhatsApp. Hello friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this. Let's meet again with the new video. Till now,